Hello everyone, Aaron here, and welcome back to Leetcode. Today we are doing the delete node in a linked list problem. There is a singly linked list head, and we want to delete a node in it. You are given the node to be deleted node. You will not be given access to the first node of head. All the values in the linked list are unique, and it is guaranteed that the given node is not the last node in the linked list. Delete the given node. Note that by deleting the node, we do not mean removing it from memory. We mean the value of the given node should not exist in the linked list. The number of nodes in the linked list should decrease by 1. All the values before node should be in the same order. All the values after node should be in the same order. For the input, you will provide the entire linked list. For the input, you should provide the entire linked list head, and the node to be given node. Node should not be the last node of the list, and should be an actual node in the list. We will build the linked list and pass the node to your function. The output will be the entire list after calling your function. Whew, okay. That's a lot to digest, and my gut instinct is I think I know how to do it. And this is one of my least favorite kind of Leetcode questions. The reason I'm going to say it's one of my least favorite kind is, one, it's pretty much useless. You would never have this restriction in the real world. You'd never have a linked list in the real world, basically. As the old joke goes, what are linked lists good for? Passing coding interviews. You'd never use it anywhere else. But you'd never just be given the node you want to delete. You'd be given the whole damn list. You'd maybe given a pointer to the one you want to delete, and probably a pointer to the one before it. The other thing is, to make this go fast, you are going to basically be expected to spot the trick. And the trick is, basically, we can't get to the parent to adjust its pointer to go over the node we're given. So what we need to do is we need to basically delete the thing after the node we are given and adjust the pointer from that to skip over it and copy whatever value was in that successor node into the current node. Now, that obviously feels a bit cheaty because copying this value here into here, who's to say that's the same value? It could be if we pass pointers or something, but anyway, I dislike this problem. I really dislike this problem, but it's not hard. So, breaking it back down again, just to be super clear on what we're doing. We can't delete the 5 directly because we don't have the 4. But what we can do is I can say node.val is node.next.val. We know this exists because we're told we're never given the last thing. And that's why we are never given the last thing. Because if you were given the last thing, you couldn't actually write this function. Another reason it's an absolutely stupid limitation. Once we've copied the 1 into here, what we want to do is I want to do node.next is node.next.next. Where it points should actually be to here. It should point over here. So the 1 has now been moved into here, and the 5 now points over to the 9. This guy is disconnected. Because we're in Python, it'll be garbage collected. So that's not our problem. That, I think, is it. It is stupid, it is annoying, but it is very simple. Oh, no, I got it wrong. Output 1. Hang on, how did it access this? I don't understand that. Oh, I have a typo. Node.next. There we go. So, 2 lines of code. That's all it is in Python. We could turn this into 1 line of code fairly easily, but there's no point doing that. Oh, what the hell, let's do it. node.val, node.next. There. Use all of the example test cases. Perfect. Submit. Lovely, lovely. So, rant aside, hopefully you found that interesting. Apologies for the little rant. If a company ever gave me this in a coding interview, or worse, I was expected to give this problem in a coding interview, I would be very annoyed. This is a pointless, stupid, unnecessary question that tests absolutely nothing. It's a weird, can you delete a node from a linked list, with added complexity about understanding what exactly they want you to do because of ridiculous artificial limitations. Anyway, rant over. Like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time.